Karnala is a refreshing break from the city. People come here to watch the birds and wildlife, to picnic and to trek. Just short drive outside the Mumbai on the Mumbai-Pune Highway to Goa is densely forested Karnala Bird Sanctuary. Tickets are very cheap, but they charge extra for professional cameras. I visited Karnala in monsoon season, but I'll suggest you to avoid the monsoon and go here in a winter season. I think it was a casual walk through the forest which was unfailing source of joy, with the list of birds' song ringing in the air. Take all the drinking materials from the base as there is no water available on the hill or the fort. Things I have done when I visited: I took a lot of pictures of me, birds, trekking, and watched varieties of trees. There are two ways up. One is easy and other is bit difficult. As we were trying it first time, we chose the easier one. The food was very cheap but yet delicious. We enjoyed our meal and the journey too.